Alright, today's February 13th, and I got the rear end back from the sandblasters. They did a pretty good job, so they just put a primer coat black on it. And then today, so where I tape the ends to protect the seals, so I just need to just clean that up. This up here and here, and then I'll give it a final coat. And then also working on the front right, get the spring on for the front subframe, and then tighten up all the nuts on there. And then I got the fuel line pretty clean. So I got that pretty good. Still got that black pits from after I soaked it, but the springs are all nice and clean underneath. And then I totally forgot about the other front brake line. So I totally forgot to get this all cleaned up. So I guess I'll have to work on this sometime as well. So that needs to be cleaned up. Looks like it's mostly just grease. Hopefully there's no rust on it, because it was on the front, which means that all the oil and road debris was give it a nice good coating. So hopefully it's all still good. And that's today.